Good morning, welcome to a 2 on Thursday the 9th of January. This is Kim Watson speaking for Easy Trader. Okay, looking at the euro dollar first, and yesterday we finally did, I was quite bearish. I remain quite bearish on the euro dollar. I think it's still got some potential further downside. However, we've seen a bit of a rally so far today. However, yesterday we managed to break Monday's lows and put a pivot swing in, which really suggests a potential continuation. If we see a break of yesterday's lows, well, then that really confirms a negative move in this market. And we're just coming up to some sort of resistance areas on my top bands here. It's also just come back to a few key areas. The 500 is just breaking through a little bit, so you may find some resistance at this level. If it does continue up, well, it may even come back to this previous trend line and test this previous trend line again. There's a 34 with it at the moment. There's a few moving averages. Okay, all of these have been tested apart from the 34, so that would make a pretty strong resistance point there, and also it would be a reasonable range as well for the day. But today there's plenty of news out later on. Key things really is the interest rate decision and Draghi speaking at 1:30. So plenty of potential movement for the euro dollar. Okay, let's look at the pound dollar. Press the right button. Okay, I do have a target below us. Actually, I've got a target of 64.31. We're at about 64.31 as a potential downside target. At the moment, we've seen this move upwards here. It may just come back up, double top on yesterday's highs there. There's some potential, or maybe running a little bit higher on this little upper channel line that I've drawn on there, around about 164.80. Maybe just had a higher around about that level. But if we, as I say, there is a target level of 64.32 or 31 actually that I've got below. If that is then broken, I would or tested, I would expect possibly a little bit more downside. Although, as I said before, cable I still think is the sweetheart at the moment, the market sweetheart, and has potential for further upside. So if we were to break yesterday's highs and beyond this break beyond this point here, I wouldn't be too surprised. And I'm not too shocked at the moment that we've got cable running up one way and euro running down the other way. It's just they've gone out of sync at the moment in the main, but they will catch up eventually and move back together again. But for now, cable certainly does seem the strongest one. We've got the news out this afternoon, rather, interest rate decision at 12 o'clock, but I can't see any changes there. So for now, cable still looks, as I say, the strongest and still potential upside. That's it for me. Bye for now.